Hi everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to prepare stock data for Luminovo submission. We have recently introduced data transformation services, and this is just one of the examples of the work we're doing for our customers. If you want us to assist with similar tasks, please feel free to contact us. We would be happy to help you. So we have the source QED file, and the first step we do, we trim all the fields. And we also replace comma with dot, because some of the records might have commas instead of dots. The next step, we split data into IPN records and manufacturer MRN records, because they have different transformations. For IPN, what we do, we just encode item, because it might have some special characters in it. And we also use in-place replace transformation to create a JSON, like this. Note we don't put any double quotes, because this is what encode JSON script does for us. Let me show how it works. Here it is. So another part is validator, and we're just making sure that manufacturer is not null, otherwise we just discard it. And here's a transformation for our manufacturer MRN record. So again, we use encode JSON strings. This is our template. See how the data looks like. After that, we use union to combine records. And the last transformer we use to encode stock and unit prices. Again, all the transformations are simple. They're not really that complicated, to be honest. And the last step, we use writer, JSON writer. And what JSON writer does, it creates array of JSON objects. Let me just run it. Result looks like this. Let me show you it in Notepad++, because so we can just format it, and it is just much easier to understand. We can also check that it is properly formatted JSON. As you can see, everything looks great. Okay, thank you very much for watching. If you want to use any of our data and ETL services, please feel free to contact us. We would be happy to assist you. Also, please like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.